Alright, so you're gonna show us your shortcuts now.
Yeah, basically I'm gonna show you how I use this Razer thingy, Nostromo. You can Google this.
Hmm.
Uh, what? Yeah, it's not writing. What happened? Yeah, Google Nostromo and you'll find this thing right here. Uh, and basically it's a mini keyboard that can store macros on every key. So you can record actions that involve multiple key pressing or I don't know, stuff like that. So basically here you can pause the video and look at every command that I use. For example, on the button 1, which is this button here, is the eraser. Basically I keep my hand. I should show you how I keep my hand on this. So this is my hand, this is my thumb. Um, Here the little finger rests on this button, and that's the brush button. And here, here, and here rests the other fingers. See, like drawing hands has helped me draw this hand. So yeah, basically what I did first, I set up my hand on this thing, and I looked like which buttons I can reach like really easy. So basically, I wanted this button to be the brush, this one to be the layers. So see, now I'm pressing that button. The other button is colors. This one, and this one is the eyedropper. The eyedropper in combination with the space tool, which is here, space button.
Hmm.
I can zoom in and zoom out if I hold them both pressed. So I do sometimes combination of these buttons. Also, the most satisfying stuff that I came up with this tool is setting up the undo on this wheel. So now I'm just scrolling and it undoes like really fast.
Wow.
And now I can redo with the same speed.
Wow. That's really smart.
So yeah, it's a very neat device that you can have, and it's very cheap. It's like $50. Also, here is another button. That's the right click for me, and I use that to choose my brushes. Basically, these are the buttons that I use. If I have something, 1 second, I will turn on again these things, so you'll see everything that I. Oh, also there is a crosshair button here, and it's like a joystick. And if I move up, it creates a new layer. If I move down, it flattens. It merges down the layer. If I move it forward, it makes the brush bigger. If I move backward, the brush smaller. So it's very easy, everything at the left hand. So I don't need to press any other buttons or move my hand to find keys on the keyboard or stuff like that. Also, for everything that I didn't use like regularly, I created how do you call them, actions. So I have actions for stuff like switching the color for foreground to the background with X, so I press that. So I don't have to move my hand on the actual keyboard. So yeah, blur tool takes me to the blur tool. If I have a selection, I can hit select inverse, and that selects inverse, stuff like that. So yeah, basically everything that is written here, uh, they're my shortcuts, and they help me a lot in creating images like really fast. So yeah, this is my setup. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have questions, I hope I can help you. Like, try to find me on Facebook or so. It's just simple Alex Negrea. And yeah, I
Awesome.
will answer.
Thanks so much for sharing.
So yeah, no problem.